1. In triangle PQR, PQ equal to PR, that is equal to 68, and QR equal to how much? 64. Total QR value 64. PS is perpendicular to QR and PS is a median. What is the question here? Find the length of the median error. What is the total QR value? 64. It is not 32, it is 64. Means QS is how much? 32. SR also 32. Okay. And here PSQ, it is a right angle triangle. In that QS is how much? 32. PQ value 68. Obviously we are get the PS value. That PS is the length of the median. Okay. Then we required PS square, that is equal to 68 square minus 32 square. A square minus B square, A plus B into A minus B. 68 plus 32. 100. 68 minus 32. 3600. It is 3600. It is which one square? 60 square. Then PS equal to how much? 60. Next question number 2. 40% of difference between compound interest and simple interest obtained on a sum of 20,000 for 2 years at the rate of 10% per annum is. First of all, what is the principal value are given? 20,000. Time period 2 years. What is the rate of percent? 10%. 10% for 2 years. What is the simple interest? 20%. Compound interest 21%. What is the difference? 1%. Means 1% of 20,000 is difference between compound interest and simple interest. Simple interest is how much? 20%. Compound interest are 21%. Difference is how much? 1%. 1% of which value? 20,000. In this one, how much percent we need? 40%. Yes or no? We required a difference or 40% difference? 40% difference value. What is the difference value? 1% of 20,000. In that, how much percent we need? 40%. 1% of 20,000 means it is 200. In that, 40% means 80. Next question number 3. Ram gave 2 successive discounts of 20% and 30% are given while selling an article for how many rupees? 112. What is the ratio of the market price and discount offered on the article? Okay. Market price is always how much percent? 100%. In that first time discount, 20% discount. After discount it will become 80%. What is the second time discount? 30%. 30% of which one? 80%. What is the 10% of 80? 8. 30%? 24. 80 minus 24. 56. That 56% is selling price or cost price? Selling price. What is the market price value? 100%. What is the selling price value? 56%. What is the discount percentage? 44%. What is the question here? Ratio of market price and discount offered. What is the market price value? 100%. What is the discount value? 44%. What is the ratio? 25:11. Without taking the market price. What is the ratio? 100:44. Next question number 100:44 means 25:11. Next question number 4. Anyone need fourth question? No? Okay. First priority bracket value 18 divided by 3, 6. 6 into 2, 12. 12 plus 2, 20. This bracket value 20. Next. Again next priority which one? 9 2 by 3, Div 18 by 3, 6. 6 into 2, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. Means this total value is how much? 14. 9 2 by 3 means 29 by 3. Multiplied by 6 4 the 24 plus 5. 29 by 6. Division becomes multiplication means 6 by 29. 29 29 cancel. 3 how many times? 2 times. 2 into which one? 14 or not? Total it is 28. This total bracket value we are getting 28 multiplied by 5 3 by 7 means 5 3 by 7, 38 by 7, divide by how much value? 7 3 by 5. 7 3 by 5 means it is 38 by 5 into how much? 10 or not? Division by half into which one? 10 into how much value? 98 or not? And numerator 38, denominator 38 cancel or not? 5 how many times 10? 2 times. 7 2s how much? 14. 14 how many times? 98. 7 times or not? 28 into 7 or not? 28 into 7 means it is 14 square or not? How much? 196. Means up to this value is how much? 196 or not? Plus 6 into 5, 30 plus 5 or not? Total it is 220, 230, what is the last value? 35. In paper all the values are correct. 6 into 5 plus 5. What is the total value you are getting? Actually 230. What are the last two values? 6 into 5, 30 plus 5 means how much? 35. Okay. Next priority which one? Half value. This one we written 7 3 by 5 into 10 into how much value? 98. 7 3 by 5 means 38 by 5 into how much? 10 into 98. And numerator 38 by 7. 38 38 cancel. 5 how many times? 2 times or not? It is 7 into 98. Denominator 7. Denominator 1 by 7 into 2 into which one? 98 plus how much value? 35. Already first one we are getting how much? 196. 196 into which value? 1 by 7 into 2 into 98 plus how much value? 35. 98 2s are how much? 196. 196 cancel. What is the remaining value? 1 by 7 plus how much? 35. Maybe 7 also cancel. Into 35 by 7 into how much value? 38 by 7 into 5 by 38. Maybe this total value we are getting 1. 28, this total value 28 into how much? 38 by 7 divide by how much? 38 by 5 into 10 into 38 by 5 into 10 into how much value? 98 plus 35 or 38 cancel. 5 how many times? 2 times or 7 into 2 14 almost 7 times or again we are get the first one. First one 1 by 7 వస్తుంది. 9 2 by 3 is how much? 29 by 3 by 29 by 6 into, it is all are denominator 2 plus 18 by 3 into how much value? 2 or not? 29 cancel. 3 how many times? 6 times. 6 2 are 12. 12 plus 2 14. Next 3 how many times here? 2 times. 2 how many times? 7. Means this one we are getting 1 by 7. 1 by 7 into 7 plus how much value? 35. It is not 28. We are getting how much value? First one 1 by 7 into 7. 7 cancel. What is the remaining value? 1 plus 35 36. It actually 4 by 5 4 into 5 by 6 denominator value or numerator value? Denominator value. First one 29 by 3 by how much value? 29 by 6 into 14 or into second value we are getting already 7 into 98 or this total value you are getting 1 by 7 only this bracket value is how much? 1 by 7 remaining value 7 plus 35 total it is how much? 36. Next question number 5. The perimeter of a square field is equal to the circumference of a circular field whose area is how much? 9856 meter square. Perimeter of a square means 4 here. What is the circumference of a circle? 2 pi r. 2 pi r means we return 44 by 7 into r. 4 how many times? 44. 11 times or then a by r equal to which ratio? 11 is to 7 means side of a square is how many parts? 11 parts. Then radius of a circle is how many parts? 7 parts. What is the question here? Find the cost of the growing the sugarcane crop at the rate of 125 rupees per meter square in the square field. Means we required square field area. Square field area means we required a square. Again it is multiplied by which one? 125. Because we required cost means a square into 125. A is how many parts? 11 parts. Then answer must be 11 parts square means answer must be multiple of 11. First option 11 multiple. No. Second option. No. Third option. 9 and 8 17. 17 and 5 difference 12. No. And fourth option 9 and 8 17. 17 minus 6 11. It is 11 multiple. Then answer is fourth one. Next question number 6. Father shared his savings to his sons A, B, C, D. A got 1200 and B got 1300 and C got 50% more than the A and D got 20% more than that of B. The difference between the shares of C and D is what percent of share of A? First of all, C compared to A, how much percent are more? 50% more. Already A value 1200. What is the 50% of 1200? 600. 1200 plus 600. 1800. That is C value. Again D depends on which one? B value compared to B, how much percent or more? 20% more. Already B 1300. 20% of 1300, 260. 1300 plus 260, 1560. And what is the difference between C and D? 240. The 240 is the difference between C and D values. What is the question here? Difference between the shares of C and D is what percent of share of A? What is the C and D difference? 240. It is what percent of A value? What is the A value? 1200 multiplied by 100. It is almost 20%. Next question number 7. In this one, what is the first priority? Last term or first term? Last term. What is the square root of 81? 9. 280 plus 9? 289. Which one square? 17. 1007 plus 17? 1024. It is which one square? 32 square. Means in place of this value we written 32. 544 plus 32? 576. It is which one square? 24. Up to these terms value will be how much? 24. 300 plus 24? 324. Which one square? 18 square. Means up to this one all the values sum will be 18. 4606 plus 18. It is 4624. 4624. Square root of 4624. It is more than 60 but less than 65. End with 4 means possibility either 2 or 8. What are the first two digits? 46. 6 7s are how much? 42. 6 8s are 48. It is less than more than 42 but less than 48. Means possibility 62 or 68? 62. More than 60 square or less than 60 square? More than 60 square. What is the 65 square? 4225. In between 60 and 65 means 60 4225 means it will be 68. 62 or 68? 68. Next, bar graph. The difference between the number of students who like 5-star and dairy milk is what percent more or less than the difference between the number of students who like Kit Kat and Snickers? What is the 5-star value? 400. What is the dairy milk? 300. Difference is 100. Next, Kit Kat is how much? 100. Snickers are 500. Difference 400. What is the ratio? 1:400. What is the question here? Percentage less or more? Percentage will be less are getting or more are getting? Less. 1 compared to 4, 3 parts are lesser. 3 upon which one? 4. 3 by 4 means 75%. Next question number 9. A water tank can be filled by a tap in how many minutes? 24 minutes, while it can be emptied by another tap in 32 minutes. If both the pipes are open alternatively, then after how much time will the tank gets filled? First one, how much time are filled? 24 minutes. Second one, how many minutes are empty? 32. What is the LCM? 96. Means tank capacity will be how many liters? 96 liters. 24 how many times? 4 times. 32 3 times. First one is inlet and second one is outlet. Alternate or working means in first 1 hour, first 1 minute how many liters are filled? 4 liters. Second 1 minute how many liters are empty? 3 liters. Means every 2 minutes how many liters are filled? 1 liter. One will be plus 4, another one are minus 3. First 1 minute 4 liters are added. Second 1 minute 3 liters are emptier. Then after every 2 minutes how many liters are filled? 1 liter. Means every 2 minutes how many liters are filled? 1 liter. What is the total tank capacity? 96 liters. How many times it is? 96 times. It is how many times? 96 times. This one also 96 times are 96 into 2. How many minutes? 192 minutes, sir. 192 means 3 hours 12 minutes, sir. 3 hours 12 minutes. Next question number 10. In the given figure, angle AOB equal to how much? 100 degrees and 30 degrees. Then find the angle CAO. And here 30 degrees means what is the angle value? CBA. Angle CBA equal to how many degrees are given? 30 degrees. Okay, it is printing mistake. It is angle CBA equal to how many degrees? 30 degrees. And already angle AOB equal to how many degrees? 100 degrees, sir. We required which one? Angle CA over 30 are given. There is no clarity here, but in diagram it is given clarity here. CBA, what is the angle? 30 here. And here OA and OB radius, sir. OA and OB are radius. Already O value is how much? 100. OA and OB are radius means equal angle or different angle? Equal angle. OAB, what is the sum of the three angles? OAB sum of the three angles 180. In that already one is 100. Remaining 80 or not? That 80 will be equal distribution or not? Equal distribution means each one 40 40. Means this one is how many degrees? 40 degrees. This total also 40 degrees or not? Already that one 30. This is how many degrees? 10 degrees or not? And one more. What is the subtend angle concept? One will be theta, another one 2 theta, or one is theta, another one theta by 2. Okay. Already here center angle 100 degrees. Means this one half of the 100 degrees, means this is how many degrees? 50 degrees, okay. And what is the C value? Angle CAB. CAB. What is the C value? 50 degrees, what is the B value? 30 degrees, 50 plus 30, 80. Already here 40 or not? 80 plus 40, 120 complete. What is the remaining? 60 or not? What is the question here? C is 50 degrees, B is 30. 50 plus 30, 80 completed. What is the remaining? 100. In that 100 here already how much? 40. Obviously this one 60 degrees, sir. Okay. What is the question here? Find angle CA or not? CAO. What is the angle? 60 degrees, sir. We know the C value and we know the B value. 50 plus 30, 80 complete. Out of 180, 80 complete means remaining 100. That 100 will be angle A. In that one side already 40. Obviously another side 60. But we required which one? CA or obviously A value 60. Next question number 11. 11th one. Father decided to share 24,000 to his 3 sons in the ratio of 4:3:3, and the remaining to his daughter, which was 4,000. The difference between the largest share and second least share among the 4 of his children are. What is the total amount? 24,000. Okay. In that some amount will be given 4:3:3. Remaining amount to his daughter. Total how many rupees? 24,000. In that some amount will be distributed 3 sons. Remaining amount is distributed daughter. But daughter received how many rupees? 4,000. What is the actual total amount? 24,000. In the 24,000, daughter value is how much? 4,000. Remaining how many rupees? 20,000. The 20,000 is distributed 4:3:3. Total how many parts? 10 parts. 10 parts are 20,000 means every one part 4,000 and sorry, every one part 2,000. Son 1 how many rupees are received? 8,000. Son 2 6,000. Son 3 6,000 and what is the question here? Difference between the largest share and second least share. What is the largest share? 8,000. Second least means second least. Least means how much? 4,000. Second least means 6,000. What is the difference between 8,000 and 6,000? 2,000. Next question number 12. Simplify chestara. Next question number 13. In 12th question, what is the first priority? Only bar value. Only addition and subtractions are given. Okay. I think compared to previous question, this question are easier. Previous simplification question. Next question number 13. Train A running at a speed of 50 by 3 meter per second can crosses a bridge of length which is equal to the train length in 30 seconds. Time taken by train A to crosses the train B which has double the length and speed of train A in same direction or opposite direction? Same direction. First of all, train A running at a speed of how much? 50 by 3 meter per second can crosses the bridge of same length or different length? Length which is equal to the which one? Train length. Suppose train length are one part, bridge length also one part. Total distance 2 parts. Train length one part, bridge length also one part. What is the total distance? 2 parts. That is equal to speed into time or speed plus time? Speed into time. What is the speed value? 50 by 3 into time how many seconds? 30 seconds. 3 how many times? 10 times. 50 into 10 500 meters. 2 parts are 500 means what is the one part value? 250 meters. The 250 meters either train length 250 meters or bridge length also 250 meters. What is the next point? Time taken by train A to crosses the train B which has double the length or not? Double the length. Already first train length 250 means second train length is how much? 500. Second train length is how much? 500 meters. It will passes means when a train passes another train means total distance are sum of the two train lengths. What is the sum of the two train length? 750. That will be passed by only train A or train B? Train A. There is no clarity about the train B speed or not? Means train B will be stationary or stationary or not? Stationary means speed value 0 or not? Okay, then speed value only for train B are stationary. Obviously train A speed, it is also total speed or not? What is the train A speed? 50 by 3 or not? 0 0 cancel. 5 how many times? 15. 15 3 is how much? 45. First case how much distance are covered? 2 parts distance in how many seconds? 30 seconds or not? Second case how much distance are covered? Train length 1 part, first train length. Second train length 2 parts, 1 plus 2 3 parts. Second time how many parts distance are covered? 3 parts. In how many seconds are? 45 seconds. Equal speed or different speed? Equal speed. When 2 parts are covered in 30 seconds, the same train in 3 parts are covered in 45 seconds. Next question number 14. The average of 5 items is calculated initially as 34. 4 among them are 20, 32, 41 and 51 respectively. If a student mistakenly taken only those 4 numbers and calculating the average for 5 numbers are 4 numbers are taken but average are calculated for 5 numbers are. Next means sum of the 4 numbers distributed for how many numbers? 5 numbers are. Next, what is the question here? Then the new average is approximately what percent less than the initial average? What is the initial average? 34. Initial average is how much? 34. New average means sum of the 4 numbers distributed by 5 numbers or only 1 number? 5 numbers. First, 20 plus 32, 52. 41 plus 51, 92. 92 plus 52, 144. 144. Sum will be 144, but it is distributed for 5 numbers. 5 means we return divide 10 by 2. The numerator we return 28.8. What is the original average? 34. What is the new average? 28.8. How much value are less? 5.2. That is calculated on which one? Initial average or new average? Initial average. What is the initial average? 34 multiplied by 100. Okay. What is the denominator? 34. More than 10% or less than 10%? More than 10%. What is the 10% value? 3.4. Next, what is the 5% value? 1.7. 3.4 plus 1.7. 5.1 means it is closer to which one? 15%. An answer 15%. 34 17 multiple. It is 17 how many times? 2 times. But numerator 5.2. 17 almost 0.3 times. 0.3 by 2 into 100 means it will be 15%. 30 by 2 15%. Next question number 15. Which of the following numbers is divisible by 44? 44 means 4 and 11 means answer must be multiple of 11 and also 4. First verify the divisibility rule of 4. What is the divisibility rule of 4? Last 2 digits or first 2 digits? Last 2 digits. What are the last 2 digits here? 21 means it is divisible by 4? No. Second option? No. Third option? Yes. Fourth option? Yes. In that which option is multiple of 11? Third option 11 multiple? No. Fourth option? Yes. It must be divisible by 15 and also 11. Next question number 16. The LCM of two numbers is how much? 2880 and their HCF is how much? 72. The difference of two numbers is how much? 216. Find the smaller number. HCF of two numbers is given how much? 72. Means common factor of those two numbers is how much? 72. Means those two numbers are must be multiples of which one? 72. Factor means those two numbers common factor are 72 means those two numbers must be divisible by 72. First option is 72 multiple. Yes. Second option? No. Third option? Yes. Fourth one? No. How many options are possible? 2 options are. If it is only one option, that will be answer 100. Okay. Or we know the LCM of the two numbers and we know the HCF of two numbers. Already we know the concept. The product of the two numbers is same as which one? Product of their LCM and HCF. LCM is multiplied by HCF. A into B, that is equal to LCM into HCF. 2880 into how much value? 72. Right hand, left hand side how many factors? 2 factors. Right hand side 2 factors. But those two numbers difference is how much? 216. Means right hand side 2 factors we are splitted. Those two numbers difference must be 216. First 2880. It is 72 how many times? 2880 72 how many times? 40 times or not? Okay. in place of 2880, I written 72 into how much? 40 or okay. Again 72 means we written 24 into 3 or not? Yes or no? Next, again 72 means we written 24 into 3 or not? Okay. 24 into 24, 576. 40 into 3 into 3 or not? 43 is a 120 into 3 means 360 or not? What is the difference? 216 or not? What is the question here? Smallest number or largest number? Smallest number. Answer 360. Just left hand side, right hand side product we are splitted into two factors or only one factor? Two factors. Those two difference are 216 means those two factors are highest factors or lowest factors? Highest factors or not? Next question number 17. A shopkeeper buys their products and sells them at 10% and 20% and 30% profit respectively. The ratio of their cost prices is 4:3:2. The selling price of second article is approximately what percent more or less than the selling price of third article? Then we are concentrate on only selling prices or not? What is the second article cost price? 3 parts or not? In that how much percent are profit? 20%. Means selling price is 120% of how many parts? 3 parts or not? It is selling price of second one or first one? Second one. What is the third article cost price? 2 parts. In that how much percent are profit? 30%. Then selling price is 130% of how many parts? 2 parts. First we need to identify the ratio between selling price of second one and third one or not? Okay. Ratio means both sides zeros are cancelled. 2 how many times? 12. 6 times or 6 into 3, 18. Another one, 13. What is the ratio? 18:13. SP2 is how many parts? 18 parts. SP3 are 13 parts. How many parts are more? 5 parts. 5 upon 13. More. How many parts are more? 5. 5 upon which one? 13. Multiplied by 100 or not? 500 by 13 means more than 30 times or not? But less than 40 times or not? In between 30 and 40, how many options? 2 options or not? But which one is closer to 40 times? 38 or not? What is the 10%? 1.3 or not? What is the 40%? 5.2. Which one is the closer value? 38 or 35? 38. Because 5.2 and 5 both are in closer values means percentage also closer to 40% or not? What is the 10%? 1.3. If you are taken 30%, what is the 30% value? 3.9. 30% 3.9. Again we required 5%. What is the 5%? 0.65. 3.9 plus 0.65. It will be 4.55 or not? It is less than 5. Less than 5 means percentage are more than 35 or less than 35? More than 35. Which option? Third option. Next question number 18. In the given figure, AB is parallel to which one? CD. Angle APQ equal to how much? 54. Angle PRD equal to how much? 119 degrees. Then find the value of x plus y or not? X plus y. And here what is the P value? 54. P value 54. P value or 54 means another Q value also 54 or not? 54. Alternate angles, it is also how much? 54. What is the 2Q total value? 180. Out of 180, 54 complete. What is the remaining? 126. Means x equal to how many degrees? 126 or not? Next, what is the total R value? 180. In that 119 complete. What is the remaining? 61 or not? 61. And triangle PQR. What is the Q value? 54. R value 61. What is the P value? 54 plus 61, 119 complete. What is the remaining? 105 complete. Sorry, 115 complete. What is the remaining? 65. Y is how many degrees? 65. What is the X value? 126. Y value? 65. We required sum of X plus Y or not? What is the X plus Y? 191. Alternative angle concept, if that value are 54 means here also 54, because both are in parallel sides or different sides. Parallel sides are. Next 19. Question number 19. The cost of each 5-star chocolates and Snicker chocolate is 10 rupees and 25 rupees respectively. The total money paid by her to the shopkeeper for 5-star and Snickers are. First 5-star, how many degrees are there? 72 degrees are. 72 degrees. Total how many degrees are there? 360. 72 by 360. What is the 360 degrees value? 200. Okay. 360 degrees equal to how many chocolates? 200 chocolates. In that 5-star is how many degrees? 72 degrees. We are get the number of 5-star chocolates. Every 5-star chocolate is how many rupees? 10 rupees. Multiplied by which one? 10. Okay. 72 almost 5 times. 5 how many times here? 2 times. 200 into 2. 400. That is the total cost of 5-star chocolates. Next, again we required Snickers. What is the Snickers number of degrees? 54. 54 out of which one? 360. Multiplied by 200. But every chocolate is how many rupees? 25. 360 degrees is 200 chocolates, but we required 54 degrees value. Then we are get the number of chocolates multiplied by 25. We are get the total cost of Snickers. 54, 18 3 times, 18, 20 times. 20 how many times? 200. 10 times. 250 into 3. How much? 750. But we require total cost. What is the total cost? 1150. Which option? Second option. Next question number 20. A boat running upstream takes 9 hours 12 minutes to cover a certain distance, while it takes 6 hours to cover the same distance running in downstream. What is the ratio of the speed of the boat and speed of the stream respectively? And here both the cases distance are same or different? Same. When distance is constant, speed and time inversely proportional, directly proportional? Inversely proportional. And here speeds means one case downstream speed, another case upstream speed. Time means one case downstream time, another one upstream time. First of all, what is the downstream time are given? Time in downstream 6 hours. Next, what is the upstream time are given? 9 hours 12 minutes. 9 hours 12 minutes means written 9 12 by 60. Minutes are converted to hours. 12 ones are 12 how many times? 5 times. 5 nines are 45 plus 1 46 by 5. That is upstream time or downstream time? Upstream time or not? Okay. This one we written 30 is to which one? 46. That is time ratio or speed ratio? Time ratio. But we required speeds ratio. Speeds ratio 46 is to which one? 30. 46 is to 30. What is the downstream speed? 46. Upstream speed 30. But here question is ratio between the speed of the boat and speed of the stream. We know the downstream speed and we know the upstream speed, but we required ratio between M and S. M means both are adding by 2 or subtracting by 2? Adding by 2. Both are adding by 2 means 76 by 2 or not? Both are subtracting by 2 means 16 by 2 or not? 2 get cancelled or not? 2 how many times? 46 plus 30. 46 by 5. 30 is to 46, 76 by 2, 38. And 16 by 2 means 8. 38 is to 8. 19:4. What is the question? Speed of the boat, speed of the stream. M and S relational. What is the M value? 19. What is the S value? 4. 19 plus 4, 23. 19 minus 4, 15. 46 and 30. Simplify this one. 23:15. Question is M to S relation, but options are given. Downstream and upstream speeds ratio are given. Okay, what is the actual answer? 19:4. If question is downstream speed to upstream speed, what is the answer? 23:15. క్వశ్చన్ ఫ్రేమ్ చేయడం కరెక్ట్గానే చేశారు, లాస్ట్లో మాత్రం డౌన్ స్ట్రీమ్ స్పీడ్కి అప్ స్ట్రీమ్ స్పీడ్కి డైరెక్ట్గా రేషియో రాసేసారు. యాక్చువల్ క్వశ్చన్ ఈజ్ డిఫరెంట్. వాట్ ద స్పీడ్ ఆఫ్ ది బోట్ అండ్ స్పీడ్ ఆఫ్ ది స్ట్రీమ్? వి రిక్వైర్డ్ M and S ratio. What is the M and S ratio we are getting? 19:4. If it is downstream speed and upstream speed ratio means what is the answer? 23:15. Based on options, we required downstream speed and upstream speed. But based on question, what is the answer? 19:4. మీకు ఇప్పుడు అంటే నెక్స్ట్